going to be updating the Kajabi offer page with some new text. So I'm in the offer, Beginner's Guide to Creating Knowledge Income. I'm going to rename it Beyond the Couch, Building Your First Online Course. And I have new copy that I'm just going to copy into here and see what happens. Control V, save, let's see what it looks like. Man, I don't like the spacing. Shift enter. Yeah, that spacing looks bad. Does it look like the old spacing? I guess it does. Now, if I don't like the spacing, what I do is I go into the code section, I hit Control All, Control C, then I bring it into my AI and I say, this has messed up spacing. Can you clean up the code so that the list is a little tighter? Or this just the way it is? Then I paste in the code and see what it tells me. Yeah, the spacing issue is coming up because of those P tags inside your line tags. This adds the vertical space. Okay. So now it cleans up the code. I do this a lot in Kajabi. It's not my favorite thing to do. And I just delete it all and hit enter and see what it does. Hit save to preview it. Yeah, it's a little tighter. Hit the preview link. Okay. Now we're going to fix the title. Beyond the Couch, Build Your First Online Course. Okay, save, always save. Save. Okay, now I need to replace this image, and I'm going to do that in Canva. And this is the template we're using. And so I open the template. We're going to do, what we're going to do is beyond the, and then couch will be in blue. Delete that. And then we'll use the subtitle here. I'm going to make that a little, all right, that looks good. I'm going to move this up a little bit. Now I need to find an icon. So I'm going to go to Elements and I'm going to search couch. Oh, this is going to be in it's in here. Graphics. Not sure I like any of these. And I'm not sure that's what I want. The image I want to produce. Maybe online course. That's a little better. I might just go with that. I like that because it's got the circle, but I think we're going to go with just the first one that came up. Going to shrink it, move it, delete. Tiny bit bigger, or is that too big? No, looks okay. Okay, now I need to remove the graphics and go to photos. I'm trying to choose an image that the person buying this or using this will see themselves as like it's a positive image for them. So they're the teacher. You want them to see themselves in the image. Now that's an in-person course, not an online course. But it has the teacher element in it. Often when I'm looking for pictures, the first one will be the one I use. I'll look for 20 minutes and then, use one that I already used. Now, I like this because it shows somebody teaching online, yet it's small. How about this? No, eyes are closed. Um, they say use humans instead of just words. It's not terrible. Kinda looks generic. I kinda like the guy teaching. That's too many young kids. It's not bad. All I'm doing is I'm selecting and it mouses over and it changes the image. Okay. I like that. We got adults. We got there you can see yourself in the picture. It looks kind of relaxed, like they're teaching somewhere. Okay, so now I'm going to call this I need to rename this. We're gonna call it Beyond the Couch. Okay. Share, download. Just we're gonna do JPEG. I'm going to do just the current page. I'm going to limit file size to 65 kilobytes and then hit download. And we will get an image. Then I'm going over back to my Kajabi page. I will click the image. I will pick a file, my device, and I always put it in my downloads. Click the Beyond the Couch download, hit open. It's the right size, hit save, upload one file. And now we have, got to hit save here, save. And now we have Beyond the Couch. Build your first online course. Okay. I'm going to get link, copy, Control V. Let's see what we get. Okay. Looks good. So that was now we're gonna hit save. And I'm gonna look at the behind the scenes and see if there's anything else to update. All right, in this section, I need to update the products in this offer. So I need to find out where this comes from and see. I gotta update that picture. You know what? I think I want to update this as well. I'm just gonna type into AI. This is the current description. Can you help me make it more problem and solution focused based on what is in the course? You're close. I'm always close. AI says I'm always close. So it gives me a couple options. You're great at what you do, but you're stuck trading your money for and feeling the limits of it. Inside this course, you'll learn how to package your knowledge into an online course that works for you, helping more people while creating income beyond sessions. I like that. So I'm going to go with 2. Control C. Back to Kajabi. Delete. Control A. Control V. Save. Okay. Now I need to go into this and see and update that. All right, I'm going to hit pause again. Okay, it took me a minute to find this. It's in my courses. So now I need to select image, select a recent file. I will choose no recent file, none of these. Okay, cancel, select image, upload. My devices. On the couch, open, save, upload. And we're gonna call this, so I gotta go back to my, gonna create Control C, wrong one, Control A, delete, Control V. Now I gotta get the title again. Beyond the couch, build your first online course, Control C. I just don't trust myself to spell or type anything. Save. Got it. Add paywall to the course. Not gonna do live rooms. We're not gonna do community. Let's see, if I add a paywall, select paywall offer. Okay, now what? I don't know what paywall means. Adding a paywall creates a modified version of this course product called a limited access product that lets members access a limited view of the course. Where does the paywall begin and end? All right, let's hit save and see what happens. Paywall offer. Choose the offer to display. Okay. There's one offer attached. Adding a paywall creates a modified version of this course called a limited access product. I'm just clicking through. I've never done this before. What is included? I've just made it more complicated. All right, what? I will ask the AI. What does limited access mean and how much do they get? Got it. You're likely seeing this limited access is a course paywall. Kajabi limited access is essentially a teaser version of the course. What limited access means? When you enable a course paywall, it creates a version like that version is tied to a free offer. The people who get this free offer can only see the lessons you choose to make free. So, all right, I'm in the course. How do I make it? How do I make it? Oh, paywall. Oh, I can edit where the paywall is. So what if I make it after like all, let's go all the way to 6. So we'll hit it, edit settings. Oh, it's not telling me at it. So how offer? Oh, I think I just grab it. I grab the paywall. Okay. It did not move. Why didn't it move? Members with limited access above the paywall. It's not moving. Ask the AI. I am trying to move the paywall, but it goes back to the original spot. I can't drop and drag it. Got it. You're trying to drag the paywall indicator. Couple of things to check. Go to Products Course, click the course that has the paywall. In the course outline, you will look for the paywall indicator line between lessons modules. However, directly over the paywall, hover over the paywall until your cursor shows you can drag. Okay? Click and drag the paywall to the new spot. Oh, I can move it down. So something in here will not let me. What if I move this down here? Okay. Then I will move the paywall to there. Okay. All right. For some reason, it wouldn't let me move. It's beyond folders. Everything's a folder. So now can we preview this? Can I preview this? Preview. Limited access. Okay. Be on the couch. Build your first online course. Welcome. The map. About your instructor. Course overview. All that. Feedback. Okay. Toolkit for building trust. The power of owning your email list. Running a pilot course. There's a lot of content here. Automatic profit. So where's the paywall? I don't see an option that says paywall. You're in preview mode. I got to remove the community. Well, I still have the community. It's just not super active. Next module. Well, let me. Okay. I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing the paywall. Click in. Is there a save button? Normally you have to hit a save button. Preview. All right, we're preview limited access. Step 2 should be the limited access. That's all. Course 1, course 2, next module. Got a lot of modules. Okay. Upgrade to unlock. Purchase. $97. Okay, so I feel good about that. That's a ton of content. By this point, you're either going to know you like my teaching or you don't. And you're going to be like, oh, this is very useful. I didn't think about this. I like how it's broken out. Or you're going to hate it. So good. Okay, I like this. So now we go back to Kajabi. Now what? I was in the offers. And I want to add product. I'm going to choose. Ooh, come on. Which product am I choosing? Well, where is it? Beyond the couch. A, B, C, B, Y. Beyond the couch. Oh, I have 2 offers. So, well, they already have it. They've already purchased it and it's the same thing. So I don't think they need to. So this is the limited access offer. So if I hit save and then go to edit checkout, why doesn't this take me to the limited option? It's frustrating. Okay, so beyond the couch. Oh, okay, this one is. Okay, I need to delete that. This one is for the full access. So remove, add product, choose product, beyond the couch, first online course, add product. Okay. So save. Now back to Kajabi. We need to replace this with beyond the couch. All right, here it is. Save. I wonder if I should just put the limited action. Should I just make one that has the free trial in it? Or do I just build a page for that? Just like I build something, then I build something else, then I build more. I build more, then I build more. And I never finish. Like I'm 30 minutes in and I've just updated a card. All right, so this was about updating the card. So I've updated the card. I need to make some decisions about how to promote this because I really like the free, I give them like a third of the course for free. They're either going to like it or not. They're either going to buy it or they won't. And this kind of removes the buyer's remorse thing because you might get into something or like, oh, I don't have time or this isn't for me or I don't like the teacher. And then you ask for a refund and that sucks. But this one is, I like the get a bunch free aspect. Okay. that is it for now. I think next time I'm gonna add more tools, building tools. I have a bunch of AI tools to make, so that'll be fun.